Hello and welcome to another Cygnus tip of the day. Today's a nice brief one for you. It is to do with a download DLL called Risque, which looks for obscene words which are embedded within a string of data, whereas your standard $obscenes, $notable, etc. are identified from single words. This will delve into strings of data itself. Can be quite useful, especially if it's data that you suspect has got some words in there you don't really want to be processing. Okay, we have a file which I prepared containing purely a name field. We didn't need to delve into the rest of the address in this instance because we're only going to analyse the name. You can go into any other field. Bear in mind it might take a bit of time if you're analysing every field in the data, but if you're willing to wait, then you should be fine. Right, okay. In the processing properties, you will see the sub-tab of special, which is where your download DLLs reside. In here, you will see we have a DLL called Risque. If we add that to the post-processing properties, it's a very simple command. We're looking at n, n, which the full description of exactly how those parameters are derived can be found in the process description. You can see at the top here we've now created a new field called n_risque, which is identifying the word that we believe could potentially be obscene within that string. I won't pour through all of them, but I'm sure we'll all have a bit of fun looking at what's potentially there. It can be very useful if you're dealing with web-based data, for example, or where you want to be more confident in the fact that we're not going to be creating records, spoof records, which somebody might have found hilarious when they were creating. Okay, once we run that, it's a simple case that it will run. It will then create this field. You'll be provided with obviously the value within that field, which you can then use to select out and process however you wish. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, as always, please contact support@thesoftwarebureau.com. Alternatively, give us a call and we'll happily talk you through it. Thanks again. Bye bye.